Hello, hello Facebook family. Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com. So I want to ask you question, guys. When you are hopping on, think about it and answer. So by the time somebody is hopping on with me, I'm going to go and share in couple of places. Actually, right now I'm just going to start the topic today. I am asking you a question. The question is, have you done your story today? Have you done your story today? So either you have written down your story, either you have spoken your story, or either you have taken a selfie and made it into a story. So these days there are many ways to do your story. On Facebook you can add your story, on Instagram you can add your story, and it takes only 5 to 10 seconds. So right now today I'm going to talk about Instagram story, how to do your story on Instagram. And you already know that why stories are important. When we do stories, then we resonate with people, and this is how people connect with us, this is how people find us, and this is how we do business with people on internet, online. So I am going to tell you how to do your Instagram story in only 5 to 10 seconds. So when you are if you have not started Instagram, no problem. When I finish my video, just drop a comment Instagram, then I will help you to start your Instagram. And that is just a easy peasy thing. So I will tell you, if you have Instagram, how to do your story. If you have done it, then go and do it right now again, because I have done my story. And you can go and check my story on Instagram, and give me a like, give me a heart, and then I will check your story too. And if you followed me, I'll follow you back. So I will show you how to do your story on your Instagram. When you are on your cell phone, mainly Instagram is a cell phone app. You can check it on laptop, but instead only after liking you cannot do anything. You cannot like, you can like and you can comment, but rest of the things, follow and unfollow, you can do on your cell phone only. So hey my friend, how are you? It is so nice to see you. For so many days I did not see you. I thought you have gone to some other continent. So it is so nice to see you. So today we are talking about Instagram story, and I am good ji, I am very fine. So right now I am telling you to go and do your Instagram story too, because I will go and check it out and I will give you a heart and like too. I did my story right now. So when you on your Instagram, when you are on your profile, you go and click your photo icon where your photo is. You just tap it, and that way you are going to see a camera screen. When you see that camera screen, just swipe it up. When you swipe it up, below down you are going to see your photos, the photos which you have taken in last 24 hours. So either you can take your selfie or any photo you have taken on your cell phone. Then you can select that photo, and you can do some writing or some doodling or some anything you want to write with your hands. You can write, or you can use the alphabets from the selection. Then you can write anything. When you are done, then you click send, and that way you have sent your story to your profile. Once your story is on your profile, then everybody can go and see it. The story is usually very quick, for 20 seconds to 1 minute, and sometime if you are doing stories for a long time, then it stays longer than that. But stories are fun to do and fun to watch and very easy, 1 2 3. That way your audience sees you, what you are doing, your audience can connect with you. So do not skip this very easy part where you can connect with your audience very easily. So if you have a business profile, this is a must thing to do your story, because it takes only 5 to 10 seconds. So once you are doing it, it's gonna take less than that. So go and do your story, and I am going to check out your story. Go and check out my story. Give me likes. If you follow me, I will follow you back. So I am going to read comments.